Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the connection problem with your Beats Fit Pro. So as you can see, when I try to connect them, I have information that they cannot communicate with my device, and let me show you how to fix it. So first of all, I can recommend you to go back from the Bluetooth on your phone and then just turn it off. Next, you have to grab the case, then put both your buds inside, and I can recommend you to perform the hard reset of your device. How to make it? Just click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking red and white for 3 times. Let's make it right now and just take a look how easy it is. Okay, there we go. Right now we can release that button, and as you can see, this indicator is blinking white, so it means that right now they are in the pairing mode and they will be visible another time to our device. Now just be sure that they are not connected to any other device, so click to pair new device on your device and then select Beats Fit Pro from the list. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.